Hi there, it's Cheryl in the Educator Preparation Program Student Services Office. This video is for those who need to provide a background check and the way that needs to be done. First of all, I'd guide you to our website, education.hanover.edu, and then go to the About Hanover EDU tab. Go to the Required Annual Background Checks tab, and you'll find information about safe hiring solutions. What we would hope you could do is go to this link to purchase your background check for this academic year. We do understand and are sympathetic to the fact that there are a lot of charges this time of year. So if for some reason you cannot pay for your background check out of pocket right this moment at the beginning of the school year, please contact me. I can actually run that report for you and charge it to your student account with Hanover College. If you can do it by credit or debit card, this is the best way to go about it, because then you will also have access to this background check that you might need for future reasons like an employment or something. But if that's a real problem for you, please email me and let me know that you would like me to run the report for you. I have information that I would have to have you complete to authorize me to do that. I don't have all the information on hand that's required for the background check, but do let me know if it is a problem for you. I'm going to click this link just so you can see what you need to do here. And just go ahead and fill this all out. Do the next step. It will ask where your address is, first name, if you have an alternate name, that kind of thing, and you would do a payment for the background check. It is usually around $20. If you've lived a number of places, it could be more, but that is kind of rare. So the next video, I will tell you how to upload this background check standard for success. If you have had me run the report for you, you will need me to send you that document. So don't hesitate to ask for that, and hope this gives you the little confidence to get on the site and get that ordered. It is due by the first week of class. So thank you so much. Bye-bye.